blood clot DJ from a shot at selector boy.
Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is, gang. You already know what time it is. We back with another one. Yeah, man, you already see what we are doing today, no, man. We back with another one. Bro, Ratty Gang is back in full effect. Yeah, man. The Ratty Gang boss, man, Skeng himself. Yo, focus, you know, bumble. Focus. Yeah, man. The Ratty Gang boss is back in the building. You already see what we are doing today. Skeng just dropped a bad new track. Well, I don't even know if it's bad yet. I don't even listen to it yet. But Skeng just dropped a new track. My man Top Scheme, the one named Good Deeds. We're gonna check it out and see. Yeah, no, I'm saying when I deal with who's Top Scheme, by the way. I'm not really. I must be a producer, cause I don't think I've heard of that artist. Yeah, so Skeng drop a new track, the one named Good Deeds. We'll check it out and see where Ratty Gang boss I deal with. You don't know Skeng. Bad blood cleat artist and the dog back at it, man. We just glad. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna say dog back on it. We're getting some bangers. Is everything set up and everything good to go? Yeah, look like everything's set up and good to go, gang. Yeah, man. I jump right in the track. Skeng, Top Scheme, Good Deeds. Let's get it.
Cheat them out. Be a criminal roll or some bit to the gun for them a burn back chopper. Top Scheme all what?
It's a long time. I listen to Skeng track, you know, dog. I'll be honest. A long time to react to Skeng Buckley track. Let's get it.
But where I feel across if I lick down the man no care what you talking about? Talk no man now no talk up blood. Oh nobody wanna pardon this book. Cops caught got a shot at him out. And he left in your own blood and shot. Tell me I got to chin it on.
Voila, now wake up Skeng. Skeng back on the blood clean badness shit, bro. This again, man, come true. Nice, Rolly, red face, Rolly. Bust down. Alright, go on.
But where I feel across if I lick down the man no care what you talking about? Talk no man now no talk up blood. Oh nobody wanna pardon this book. Cops caught got a shot at him out. And he left in your own.
To no badness boats. Cubs court. What you talking about? What you think, dog? You think you said this coming off you know, the recent 6, 7, 8, 9 or 11? Alright, I want to go on through.
Every day for leash, locking in my mind in the damn in me. Make evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Evil scream and I shut the good deeds.
Right, dog say evil a scream and a shadow good deeds. Are that all those blood clots?
Harder than hell, so she up the model. Every day for leash, locking in my mind in the damn.
The man saying every day for leash. I want the blood clot.
Every day for leash, locking in my mind in the damn in me. Make evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Evil scream and I shut the good deeds.
Man say evil scream and a shadow good deeds. How would the blood clot do, Skeng, bro? Skeng, how are you, brother? I want to want the evilness. Why would I claim evilness from what they saw? And the darkness, man say have devil upon a leash. How would he?
I pay, looking in my mind in the damn in me. Make evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Evil scream and I shut the good deeds.
Yeah, God we say straight. God we say straight. I want to good over evil, brother. But go on with this.
It's a fucking dumb oil and never can spin ton man. Not a evil set the man them. Sandal jail in shut the man. All moon view club bush nanny will them dead. Choking man is a
Spain view and evil set a man. I thought Spain wanna say I true that? We not claim evilness and I claim badness. We never used to claim evilness and badness to claim, you know. Meaning you can defend yourself and your family, you know. But these guys claiming evilness. Meaning them a pray to the devil and all type of shit and dopey and sacrifice and all type of shit. I want to know, no come down now, man. It's Skeng, I want to you, and through your artist, boy, I want to you, man. You know, go clean up that, man, a badness we used to claim, I don't claim evilness now. Calm down.
Sandal jailing, shut down whole moon view, club bush, nanny will them dead. Talking man, rise up a million ways, more ways that job some money para it. Yo, IG logam, Buddha them is part of clans, one other, chuba jumper. Jambisco.
Sparta clan, one other. Blood clot. That means Sparta clan. That means a Tamil and the 16 on good then, cause you don't know Skeng. I think so Skeng says 7 𝐷𝐿 and them and 6 no good. So no, want to.
But where I play like cross if I lick down the man look you one front. Oh yeah, where have it ever upon a leash, locking in my mind in the time in me. Make evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Evil scream and I shut the good deeds.
How the bomb? If I say evil scream and shadowing good deeds, why would you want to do that, bro? Why you want to shadow your good deeds, bro? You need good deeds. I want to take in hey, go on, Joe.
I pay, looking in my mind and the time in me. Make evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Make evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Make evil scream and I shut the good deeds. Evil scream and I shut.
Lad, top scheme. Okay. Alright. That man says, me and told man I'm evil as a man, you know. He says, Sparta gang, Ratty gang, and 7, you know. Hey man say, I have a devil upon a leash, you know. The man say, I evil in pre-locking my meds. The man say, I evil as scream and I shadow good deeds. Hey, man, I don't know what I'm saying, man, from there, man, they pick up evilness instead of badness. Badness and evilness are the same thing. No one since no mix up them things, brother. When I get certain rules of the game twisted. Yes, man. When I get certain rules of the game twisted, man. No. I don't know upon badness, and upon evilness. Wickedness. You know I got hell. That you know want do, you know I got hell. Come like you feel yourself, you say you a good man or rare. You can't defend yourself. You can't defend yourself if you're a good man, you know. Yes, you can. Because I remember say, you know, God no power no way. Because I remember say, yo, when dog come, the dog, they cut off the dog ears, man. So what I have to tell you, say? Yes, man, because you must feel like say you know, read certain things and feel like say if you say you're good, you can't defend yourself or you're weak, so no, strength, brother. And you can defend yourself in a righteousness or in a right way. You see me and say, that means you don't go out there to look for trouble. If a boy come and say, you can't lick off a boy face, man. Thump off a boy face, shut a boy, yeah, see? So, that's one of the things, I don't think you don't claim evilness because you don't see him weak. But I feel like when you claim evilness is a weak-minded, weak approach. It's just weak. You know what I'm saying? But do your thing still, you with your thing that, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Anyway, Skeng back at it, man. But I don't know when since the dancer get twisted, I claim evilness. How the blood bleed. Anyway. Well, anyway, gang, you don't know. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. You see me, I say? Yeah, make you know say, yo, the dancing, you know. You know what I'm saying? And, yo, we need some certain things to fix up with the dancer. I mean, like all this claiming evilness, just take over. You see me, me understand we claim badness and everything there, eh? But the evilness straight up your praise, devil have devil upon leash and everything there. Nah, man, you know, I got hell for that, man. Anyway, gang, we know what thing about it in the comment section. Like, show the artist some love and support. You don't know. Skeng about artist. You see me, dog do him thing. I feel him thing that's still, but from there, I listen to him and say, yo, man, certain things need for. But yeah, man, anyway, gang, we know thing about it in the comment section. I don't know, drop no thoughts and comments. Let's get it. You don't know. It's a vibe, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me know in the comment section, man. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector boy.